Hey there, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors. I'm doing a video today on the Napa Valley. It is our SPC012. You can find it on our website under that model number by putting that in the search box. I'm going over this floor because I don't think I've done a video on it yet, and I really wanted to explain some of the color tones in here. It does have this kind of rusty, burnt sienna, kind of reddish brown color. It also has a dark charcoal gray color that also has chatter marks in the design. There's also some significant kind of golden yellow tan color in here, so it helps lighten up the overall look of the floor. But that is the three significant color tones you can expect with the combination of colors that make the design. And here's just kind of panning over to the left. I've got a really big window shining on the floor right there, so just know that lighting really changes the way items look and the way the colors look. And you want to get some samples of this floor and be sure to ask for all three colors if you're really concerned about that range. Just thought I'd go over this and have somebody that really needs to understand the design of this product. So feel free to reach out to us here at WeShipFloors.com. Phone number 844-356-6711. We're here to help with all your questions, and we look forward to hearing from you. Let me know what you think about this floor, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.